Hello guys, I'm here back. I just want to take in this video of using the Mirka. This is a 6-inch Mirka with festool dust collector. One of the things I always had to stay to buy it because I didn't know if it was gonna work with it. But did I have to buy the Mirka vacuum? So I didn't want to invest on both things. I already had one vacuum, and so I had this festool for about 4 years, maybe 5, and I think it's about time to go out. So it still works fine, but I try to be prepared. So I went to Rockler, and Rockler's selling Mirka now. They used to sell just the sanding pads, and now they have the sanders. That's pretty much the only thing that comes with. And I just bought a 220. That's the only grade I use. So I pretty much just use them for acrylic. But like I say, it was pretty nice that the guy in there open one up and turn them on. The other thing is that you can change this pad from a 6-inch to a 5-inch with the same sander. With the festool, you have to buy a whole different. Like this is the 5-inch. I was gonna buy the 6-inch, but with this one, you can just buy the 5-inch pad, and then you can use both. So if I don't like the 6-inch, I go back to this. So here it is. Um, See, and I like that you can stop for like a period, like a second, and like the vacuum will not shut off. There's a little timer delay on it, so you have a little delay before it shuts off. So you're not gonna have to be like hearing that thing on and off, on and off, on and off as much. I mean, you're probably gonna do more than the festool because the festool you should just turn them on, and it will stay on till I will finish the pieces. So like sometimes I will sand like a 48 by 48 piece, and like it was nice like to reach longer pieces. I would just grab it from here and try to reach longer. So now that's gonna be an issue, but it just feels so natural, like the air power one. Starting back, I was gonna show you this one right here was one of my favorite ones of all time. This is an air pneumatic one, and this one it was just so light, but it made so much dust. With this one, especially the acrylic, it makes way too much dust. That's why I end up going with the festool. It took me a while to get used to it because I was using this for years, but I know my lungs appreciate it. And then I bought this one like, I don't know, like 2 weeks ago. And I bought it and it doesn't really work. It's a pneumatic one with the vacuum thing, and it's just nothing like the festool. You see all the dust everywhere still. So all that little thing used to go everywhere. It does okay, but still you see a lot of stuff left over. So I got this one about 2 weeks ago, and now I'm back with the Mirka. So pretty much that's it. I just want to show you guys that it does work with the festool dust extractor, and there's nothing I have to move. I just plugged it in and it works just like my other one. And that's the question I had before I bought it. And I just say thank you to Rockler because they were able to answered my question right there. They plugged it in and we checked and it worked, and here it is, guys. So go to Rockler now and they'll have it for you. And thank you guys for watching.